Hi everyone, Stephen here in Mc Nally's Toyota Longford. Today I want to show you around this 182 Toyota Aygo. It's an Xplay spec. This Aygo is a 1 litre petrol 5-speed manual gearbox. It's a sporty little car. It has only 32,000 kilometers on the clock. It's at 182 reg. It's got a full Toyota service history. Comes with 12-month warranty and roadside assistance. Low finance rates are available with finance approved within an hour. It's got front fog lights, alloy wheels. It's a 4-door, 4-seater car. Has reverse camera around the back. The bodywork is in perfect conditions. Just 4 new tyres on the car. The 4 alloys are perfect condition as well. No scratches or marks. Get a closer look at the alloys. Genuine Toyota alloys. Inside the front then. So inside the front of the car, cloth interior, interior is spotless, Isofix points in the back. You have a touchscreen stereo with Bluetooth USB auxiliary ports. Also has reverse camera. 5-speed manual gearbox, traditional handbrake, USB auxiliary ports. For the driver then, on the steering wheel, multifunction steering wheel, we have our radio controls on the left, Bluetooth controls on the right. A couple of safety features then to note. We have speed limit assist, lane departure alert, pre-collision alert as well. The car also has electric windows, electric mirrors, traction control. As mentioned earlier, this car has just done 32,000 kilometers. Full Toyota service history. This car is cheap to tax, cheap to insure, and generally cheap to run. We are open again for test drives, so if you want to book a test drive for any more information, just give us a call on 043 33 456 21. Thank you.